In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slides vertical in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a presentation for a class project, a business meeting, or a creative endeavor, switching your slide orientation can add a fresh perspective and unique flair to your visuals. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to accomplish this. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure that the application is fully loaded and ready to go. If you already have a presentation you wish to work on, go ahead and open that file. Otherwise, you might want to start a new presentation project if you're just experimenting with these settings for the first time. Once you have your presentation open, your next step is to navigate to the Design tab. The Design tab is where you can find a variety of options to enhance and customize the look of your slides, including the ability to alter the orientation, which we'll be focusing on today. As you familiarize yourself with this tab, you'll notice a button labeled Slide Size on the toolbar. This is the key feature that allows us to adjust the proportions and orientation of our slides. Click on the Slide Size button. Doing this will present you with a menu of options where you will find something labeled Custom Slide Size. This is exactly what we're looking for, as it offers the flexibility to modify your slides to your desired specifications. Now that you've selected Custom Slide Size, a dialog box will appear. Within this dialog, you'll see various options to customize your slides, including the orientation setting. Here's where you decide the format, switching from the default landscape to a tall vertical format. You'll do this by choosing Portrait under the orientation section. This setting changes the dimensions of your slides, stacking your content vertically, which can provide a fresh magazine-like reading experience for your audience. With everything set, all that's left is to confirm your choice. Simply click on OK to apply these changes. Depending on the complexity and content of your slides, PowerPoint may prompt a dialog box asking how you want the program to handle any existing slide content that may need to be adjusted to fit this new orientation. You can choose your preference based on whether you want PowerPoint to automatically fit content, or if you prefer to manually adjust each slide yourself. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully switched your PowerPoint slides to a vertical orientation. This can be especially useful for presentations where vertical visuals are more impactful, such as infographics or mobile app prototypes. So feel free to experiment with these settings to find what best suits your presentation style and needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.